Okay, compare sa ating AHA or Saudi heart, including the counting ibang-iba. Kasi sa American heart o Saudi heart, pagdating mo ng 20, 21, 22, 23 hanggang 30. Pagdating sa TESDA, it is 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang susunod. So ibang-iba yan. These are the things na kailangan yung by heart. Kasi I am very strict pagdating sa BLS. Tatlong sunod-sunod na mali, pinalalabas ko. I'm sorry, pero yun ang protocol ko pagdating sa BLS. Kasi pagdating nyo ng TESDA, ganun din. Kaysa umulit kayo, at least dito, memorize nyo na siya. Okay? So dito hindi ka isang beses lang tatawag, tatlong beses o apat na beses kang tatawag ng help. Okay? And you have to memorize that by heart. Kasi during the assessment, bibigyan ko kayo ng situation and then you will react sa situation. Pag nakalimutan mo yung sinasabi, bibilangan kita. Pag pinupuna kita, ibig sabihin mali ang ginagawa mo, pag sunod-sunod, labas ka muna, mag-review ka muna. Okay? So, ganoon ang magiging sequence natin dito. Hanggang hindi ka pinupuna, ibig sabihin tama ang ginagawa. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-explain pagdating sa assessment. Kailangan mo lang magsalita. Okay? So, I will repeat. Buti nga, hindi natuloy ang aha nyo ng umaga. Supposedly, aha kayo kanina, di ba? Kasi, pag nag-aha kayo, and then eventually magsa-Saudi heart kayo, ay mag-test na kayo, malilito kayo. Dito sa TESDA, walang AED, o yung automated external defibrillator. Wala dito yon. Okay? So, yun ang inyong tatandaan. But dito, kailangan marami kang tawag. Okay? So, remember, pagdating sa BLS, ano man to, AHA man o TESDA man or one, there are three things that you have to remember. Number one is you need to focus. Hindi ka dapat nagpapanik kasi you are saving a life of a person. So, pag nagsisave tayo ng buhay ng pasyente, hindi tayo dapat nagpapanik. Kasi the more na magpapanik ka, the more na hindi mo mag-perform ang responsibility mo. Number two is you need to set your objective. Ang objective mo is tulungan ang pasyente. So, dapat focus ka. Your objective is to save the life of a person. Pangatlo is you need to count loud. Bakit kailangan mong magbilang? Kasi tatawag ka ng rescue, at least pagdating ng rescue, alam nila kung nasaan ka na. Okay, dyan kasi makita kayo, kumuha kayo ng upuan kaya. Kung gusto nyo umupo. Kasi you never sit down on... Kumuha kayo ng upuan, sige na. Kung gusto nyo umupo. Remember, pag tayo mag-BBLS, no? Yung tinatawag natin, kasi one of the things is, how do you check your client's response? So pag nag-check ka ng client response, luluhod ka, your main clue is shoulder at hips. Okay? So hindi ka nakaganyan, ganito. Okay? When you tap your patient, dapat hindi yung ganyan. Kasi hindi mararamdaman. There should be at least pain na nararamdaman ng pasyente para mag-react ang pasyente kung something is wrong with the client. Huwag naman yung soft. Okay. So at least, tap. Okay? Tap on the shoulder. Okay? Pagkatapos nun is, you need to check on the pulse ng pasyente. Paano tayo nag-check ng pulse? For the adult, we check it on the carotid. No? So, head tilt. Bakit tayo nag-head tilt? That is to open the airway. No? That is to open the airway. So, head tilt. Hindi gano'n, ha? So, head tilt. From the center line, Adam's apple. Kung lalaki, slide down. Okay? So, hindi dito. Though, pareho may carotid, so hindi ka dito. So, slide down. Hindi nakaganon ang kamay. Bakit? Because you are going to have your LLF. Look, listen, and feel. So, look at the rise and fall of the chest. Listen to the pulse. Minimum of 5 seconds to maximum of 10 seconds. Hindi tayo nag-check ng pulse of 1 full minute. Gusto lang natin makita kung mayroong pulse ang pasyente. So, minimum of 5, maximum of 10, pero iba maximum natin ng 10 on military counting. Paano yan? 1 second corresponds to 1,001 hanggang 1,010. Okay? Pagkatapos mo ma-check ang pulse, definitely wala siyang pulse, wala siyang breathing because the patients have cardiac arrest. Okay? Ang susunod nun is you have to do compression. Ang compression natin is for adult, single, kahit na bata, 30 by 2. Introduction of your 30 compression, and then 2 rescue breathing. Okay? So kada 29, ang mangyayari dito para alam mo kung anong number ka na, 29-1, 29-2, 29-3, 29-4, 29-5. Ibig sabihin 5 cycle na yan. Pero, pag nag-29-5 ka, parang 29-30, kasama mo rin. Yung iba kasi, 29, wala na. So, wala na yung isa. So, 29 lang. So, ibig sabihin, 29-4, 29-5. So, ibig sabihin, nagpupush ka pa rin ng compression, which is completion of 30/2. Nakuha nyo? So, ang glue mo, if you do compression, is from the center line, this is the nipple line, below the nipple line. Okay? Position your hands. Hindi hands, it's the heel of the hand. So, dito ka. Dominant to non-dominant. So, ibig sabihin, strong hand to non-strong kasi magpupush ka. You do not need to do this, but you have to do it straight. Dito manggagaling ang force. Sa ating BLS assessment, dapat umiilaw yung orange dito. So yung iba, ganyan lang ang ginagawa. Wala. Ibig sabihin, mali yan. Yung iba, ganyan. Mali rin yan. So dapat, yun. Nakikita niyo yan? So pag nagko-compress kayo, dapat lalabas yun. So ibig sabihin, pag nagpe-press ka ng ganyan, pupunahin kita. Mali. So ibig sabihin, yan. Kita niyo yan?
Patay niya.
Patay. So, ibig sabihin, you have to press because ang compression, what do you call this? Ang compression depth. Ang compression depth natin is 5 cm deep. So, ganun kalalim dapat. So, kailangan i-compress mo siya. Okay? So, when you do compression, dapat hindi yung tumataas ang kamay. Okay? Hindi rin yung iba-iba. O kaya nakaganyan ka. May tendency dyan na imumumo si pasyente. Kaya ilalak mo siyang ganyan for you to do compression. Okay? Question. Okay, so I will demonstrate ang adult muna, set aside ang child. Okay? So yung mga sasabihin ko, tatandaan niyo yun, ha? When we reach the area, tinuturo ang pasyente, ha? Kasi ilang beses ko nang pinupuna yan. Sasabihin lang niya, the scene is safe. Okay? Kasi minemorize na. The scene is safe. I have one victim, unresponsive. One bystander who can... No. Kailangan itulong mo yung victim mo kung nasaan. Sasabihin mo, I have one victim, unresponsive. One bystander who can help. Tapos papakilala mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Now, you can describe your bystander later on. So during the assessment, ako ang i-describe mo, hey you in black shirt with ganito, please, yan. Nakukuha nyo, hindi yung nakatingin ka dun sa taas, wala naman dun ng bystander. Okay? So i-demo ko siya sa adult muna, ha? The scene is safe. I have one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am a trained first aider, I can help. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, can you hear me? No response. Hey you, please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Head is clear, the mouth is clear, nose is clear, no contusion. Upper extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The patients have no pulse and no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt with hair tied, please get back to me. Please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Wala ba tayo pahingin tissue? Hindi, yung dito na lang. Kuha ka dito ng gauze. So, ang basis ko dyan is head tilt, chin lift. Ano? COVID daw, sir. COVID, hindi na natin nire-require. Kung nasa EMS ka, meron kang pocket mask o meron kang tinatawag na ambuban. No? Yun ang kanya. Pero dito, supposedly, head tilt, chin lift. Close, dapat open mouth. So, chin lift, sa head tilt, chin lift, close, and then you start blow. Tapos pagka-blow mo, release. Okay? Sige. Okay, sample niya. The area is safe. I have one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am Rod, a trained first aider. Can I help? Sabihin ko, yes, you can help. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, can you hear me? No response. Hey you in blue shirt, please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. The head is clear, the mouth is clear, the ears is okay, nose, no contusion, mouth, no contusion, lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The patients have no pulse and no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The patients have pulse but no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my rescue breathing. 1, 1002, 1003, 1. 1, 1002, 1003, 2. 1, 1002, 1003, 3. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 4. 1, 1002, 1003, 24. So, ibig sabihin, bibilang ka hanggang 24. After the 24, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The patients have pulse and with breathing. Hey you in blue shirt, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my final assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear, no contusion, no bleeding. Upper extremities, lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Position the patient. If the patient is conscious, harap dyan. That is, the main rationale is to avoid aspiration and yung secretion ng pasyente. If the patient is unconscious, it has to be positioned in front of you. This is to monitor the client and of course avoid aspiration and yung aspiration ng pasyente. So ako magsasabi kung ano ang condition ng pasyente, kung conscious or unconscious. Okay? So if the patient is conscious towards you, if the patient is unconscious in front of you. Nakuha nyo? So yan. That is for the adult. Question.
Sir, paano kung may butas siya dito?
Paano may butas?
Dito, sir. Yung, di ba meron mga tao na nagpupit butas na dito meron?
I mean, kung mga ganyan, that's a separate training, pero we will just be focusing on yung ganyan ng pasyente. Huwag muna tayo mag... Of course, kung meron butas ng pasyente, hindi mo siya pwedeng...
CPR.
Question dito. So nakita nyo, ilang beses ako tumawag? The first not call is, please activate emergency response system as you do your initial assessment. Di ba? After initial assessment, no pulse, no breathing. Hey you, please follow up. Ang sumunod. As you do your compression. Pagkatapos nun, nagbilang ka ng 10 seconds, please follow up as you do your rescue breathing. Sumunod, with pulse, with breathing, the patient tawag ka ulit for final assessment. Okay? Now, may mga, this is already been experienced, meron silang sasabing, patients have no pulse and no breathing after the 5 cycle, pauulit kita. Kasi ibig sabihin, walang nang, di ba? 29.5, 2 breathing. Tapos nung chinek mo na, ang pulse, sasabihin mo na naman, the patients have no pulse and no breathing. Sasabihin ko sa iyo, repeat the cycle. Kasi wala ka nakuha. Dapat ang sasabihin mo na nun, after the the 5 compression, patients have pulse and breathing para magsunod ka sa rescue breathing. So meron akong estudyante dyan, naka5 beses. Pagkakuha niya, uulitin niya, pinaulit-ulit yan. Hanggang hindi ka nakakuha ng pulse ng pasyente. So, you have to be very careful. Pag nagsabi ka ng the patients have no pulse, pag sinabi mo gano'n, repeat the cycle. Pauulit ko sa'yo. So, dapat yun, pagkatapos mo ng 5 cycle, kukuhaan mo ng pulse. Ang sasabihin mo na is, the patients have positive pulse or have pulse but no breathing. Kaya ka magre-rescue breathing. Nakuha? Question?
Sir, pag halimbawa po yung sabi niyo po na sasabihin nga muna na may pulse. So, kayo na po yung dun na, okay, the patient is unconscious. Halimbawa pag sa assessment.
Oh,
so,
dulo na yun. Sa dulo pa yun. Sa dulo yun. Pag gawa mo na yung 5 cycle, rescue breathing ka na, 24 ang rescue breathing So ang bilang 1, 1,002. So hindi 1, 1,001. No. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 2. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 3. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 24.
hanggang maabot po sa 24.
Yes. Nagana ng bilang. After ng 24, check pulse ulit. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The patients have pulse and with breathing. Kasi pag sinabi mong patients have no pulse and no breathing, pababalikin kita sa pinaka-umpisa. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo tinutulungan ang pasyente. So, dapat pag nag-rescue breathing ka na ng 24, ang sasabihin mo na yon, positive pulse, positive breathing. So, ibig sabihin, magpa-final assessment ka na. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Question. Before we proceed with the infant.
Scenario na yan, sir, sa anong case ng pasyente na due to heart failure? Or
Basta,
drone?
Normally, pag walang pulse,
Drowning.
walang breathing is cardiac arrest ang pasyente.
Cardiac.
So, yun ang iisipin nyo.
Same procedure on drowning if the patient drown?
Iba naman yung sa drown. That will be more on choking. Later on, ituturo ko naman sa'yo. So, dito muna tayo on the 30 by 2, 5 cycles. Okay? 30 by 2, 5 cycle. Okay? So, 5 beses yung gagawin yon with introduction of 2 breathing per cycle.
Sir, 30 by 2, ano po yung ibig sabihin?
30 compression, rescue breathing. Ang rescue breathing, head tilt, chin lift, ha? Close, open.
Open.
Blow,
Blow.
pag nag-blow ka, release. para pumasok yung air. So, di ba? Nakita niyo yan? Ang ginawa ko is head tilt, chin lift, close, open, blow. So, ibig sabihin, release. Para pumasok yung air. Tapos blow ka ulit, release.
Sir, i-perform po yan kapag naka 30 counts na po.
Oh, 30 rescue breathing. So 30 by 2.
By 2.
So 30 compression by 2 rescue breathing. So that is if the patients have no pulse. Pero pag nagka-pulse na ang pasyente, ang gagawin mo is 1 blow, count hanggang 24.
Puro blow na.
So head heel, so blow.
Puro blow.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 2. Pero dito ka tumitingin because you are going to look at the rise and fall of the chest.
Rise and fall of the chest.
Bakit kailangan 1,000, 1,000?
Seconds. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, 1 second corresponds to 1,001 sa military counting. Kasi paano ka mag-1 second? Kung 1, 2, 3, 4, masyadong mabilis. So, 1,001 corresponds to 1 second, 1,002, 1,000. Di ba gumagana yung second? Okay? Oh, any question bago tayo mag-move sa bata? Iba rin yung sa bata, ha? Clear na lahat?
Kailangan hyper talaga, sir, na mabilis.
Ang style kasi dyan, para hindi kayo mapagod, is deep breathing. Dapat mag-deep breathing ka para hindi yung hingal na hingal ka kasi na-survive mo ang pasyente maya-maya, ikaw may nag-collapse. Remember, ang ating assessment is November 14, ha? So, you have almost 2 weeks para mag-practice. So, November 14, BLS.
Yes, sir.
Oh, may question pa rito? Wala?
No more.
Okay, let's proceed with the infant. Now,
Iba mo na yung wheel.
yes, po. Wala ka na. Okay? And you have to be ready kasi masama ang pakiramdam ko. Okay? Also, infant tayo. So, ganun din, pag sa bata, 30 by 2 pa rin. No? 30 by 2 pa rin ang ating susundin.
Kaso tama na.
So 30 by 2, same process pagdating sa adult. The only difference is of course, pagdating sa bata, you do not check on the shoulder, but you tap the foot. So ibig sabihin, itataas mo siya at hindi mo siya gaganyan kasi tendency lalakad ang pasyente. Okay? So raise the foot. Hey baby, baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, can you hear me? So saka ka ulit tatawag. And then, pag checking of the pulse, we do not check it on the carotid. Sa bata, brachial pulse. So dito yan. Pero head tilt pa rin. Okay? Head tilt and then brachial pulse. Pero pa rin, look, listen, and feel. Kaya ka nakaganito is you are going to feel the breathing of the client. Look at the rise and fall of the chest. Okay? So ganun pa rin, 30 by 2. But, if you're going to analyze, dito 2 hands ng ating compression. Dito, finger will do the compression. So dito.
Daliri lang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ganun pa rin. 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5.
Yung counting po, sir, same.
Same lang. Pero dito, 2 hands, dito fingers. Huwag yung sasabihin, sir, ang sakit.
Ay, hindi naman mga babae yan, sir.
Ano yan? Hindi, huwag yung sasabihin, ang sakit yan.
Hindi,
So,
hindi,
dapat
hindi.
practicing mo yan. Ha? You need to have practice. Kala nyo lang sa tinitingnan, madali. Pero when you do perform, mahirap.
Yes.
Especially if you're performing this to an actual patient. Mas mahirap yan. Ito, nagawa ko na yan nung pabalik ako dito, meron kaming pasyente sa aeroplano. Ako ang nag-resuscitate. Kasi tumawag sila. Anybody? Hindi ako. Teka lang.
Yes, sir.
Baka ikaw yung may balita nun sa...
Sir,
Ha?
CPR.
Ikaw yata yung may balita.
CPR.
Yung sabi nila na nag-announce sila na anybody who is a nurse or doctor that is on board in this
Approach
organization.
us, yes.
So, nagtaas ako ng commercial. Sabi niya, Lisensya. Lisensya. Sabi niya, follow po sa likod. Nasa likod yung pasyente nakahiga na. Pilipino. Matanda. Patay din. So immediately after nang mag-land kami, hindi na sila nag-emergency land kasi patay na yung pasyente. So,
Hindi na lang nila sa iyo.
syempre,
Diba? Kung minsan kasi nakakalit.
syempre, lagi mo nasa wallet ang lisensya.
Papuntang Pinas, sir, pa-uwi o.
Kumain lang daw yun ng Jollibee. Yun yung history. Hindi, pero nagko-complain na siya ng chest pain. Tatandaan nyo, if somebody is complaining of chest pain, huwag niyong babaliwalain kasi baka nagkakaroon na siya ng blackheads, nagkakaroon na siya ng, alam niyo yun, narrowing. So dapat see a doctor, magpa-check up.
Isa sa aming mga staff, ganun po. Bago
Kasi
pumasok
yun,
yung
pag
COVID,
nagkaroon ka na ng difficult, ng, alam mo yung chest pain at nahihirapan ka na huminga, hindi mo alam, there will be narrowing, there will be something, kaya pa-check up ka.
Nakaraan ganyan ako dito. Pero ito ang nahirapan mo.
Hindi.
Sige lang.
Kabayan.
Okay? So, i-demo ko lang, iba rin kasi ang bilang ng bata pagdating sa rescue breathing. Okay? Ready? There is it. I am one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am Rod, a trained first aider, I can help. Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, can you hear me? No response. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please activate the emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear, nose is clear, no contusion. Upper extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. One 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The baby have no pulse and no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Sinortat ko lang yan ha, baka mag 1 to 5 din kayo, pawala kasi kayo. One 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The baby have pulse but no breathing. Hey you in blue shirt with ID, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my rescue breathing. Naalala niyo yung bilang dito ng rescue breathing? Anong rescue breathing?
24.
Anong bilang?
2, 1,000.
1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000,
Again?
1,000,
1, 1,002, 1,003, 1. Hanggang 24. Pagdating dito sa rescue breathing, 1, 1,001, 1, 1,002, 1, 1,003, 1, 1,004, 1, 1,005, 1, 1,006, 1, 1,007, 1, 1,008, 1, 1,009, 1, 1,010, 1, 1,040. So hanggang 40 sa bata. With counting the 1, 1,001, 1, 1,002, 1, 1,003.
Hanggang 40.
Yes, 1, 1,038, 1, 1,039, 1, 1,040. 1, 1,039. 1, 1,040. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The baby have pulse and with breathing. Hey you, please follow up emergency response system. Get back to me as I do my final assessment. Head is clear, mouth is clear, nose is clear, no contusion. Upper extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. Lower extremities, no contusion, no bleeding. If the patient is conscious, binubuhat ang bata, ha? Baka ganun-ganun nyo si bata. If the patient is conscious, ganito ang hawak. If the patient is unconscious, nakaharap sa'yo. For you to monitor yung ating pasyente. And to avoid aspiration and desecretions. So, conscious and conscious. Okay? So, yan ang bata.
Sir, yung ginawa niyo po sa ulo, hindi niyo na po
No, sa adult lang yun.
Sa adult.
Angat lang yung ulo.
Okay, Mr.
Kasi
Frank, sample.
normally ang bata, kasama ang isang pagbunganga pag nag-blow ka. Kasi sakot ng ano yan pag nag-blow ka. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng i-pinch ang nose.
You know that, Mr.
Okay,
it's
Mr. Frank.
easy to watch, but when you do it, it's very hard. That's why you need to view first the
Kailangan yun ng practice.
video and more practice before you do it, because otherwise you will be go outside.
Okay, Mr. Frank. Sample practice.
Kahit sino talaga sa mga nag-NCU, ito yung talagang pinakamahirap. Because di ba, alam mo mag-full bath, alam mo mag-shaving, alam mo, pag ito, nakakalimot ka ng counting.
Lalo na pag may lilitong ito.
Oh, during final assessment, sabay-sabay kayo. Okay? Nakita nyo? So, isa-summarize lang natin na dito. So, ganun din ang tawag doon. You are going to have 4 times na tawag. First na call, please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Pagkatapos mo ng initial assessment, hey you, please follow up emergency response system and get back to me as I do my compression. Susunod, hey you, please follow up as I do my rescue breathing. And the last one is please follow up as I do my final assessment. 4. Both yan. So sa bilang dito, ganun din sa bata, on compression, 1, 20, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1. 1, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. Okay? Pagkatapos nun is, when you do the rescue breathing, 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,002, 1,003, 1. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 2. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 4. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 24. Sa bata, 1, 1,001. 1, 1,002. 1, 1,003. 1, 1,004. 1, 1,039. 1, 1,040. Pagkatapos nun, check the pulse with is 10 seconds. Question. Before we go with choking.
Yes, choking. No
So
more.
sa final assessment, you will do adult, you will do child, you will do adult adult choking and child choking. 4 ang gagawin. Okay? Any question dito?
Wala po.
I will be particular with the calling, with the counting. Ha? So, yun, doon ko kayo i-check. Okay? Kung walang tanong, let's go with your choking. Definitely, if we talk about your choking, there are symptoms that you need to have. Ano mga ba yung some of the symptoms that you will observe? Number 1, the patient cannot talk kung adult. Tama? And then eventually, the patient will grab air from outside. Nakaganyan ang pasyente. Kasi nga walang pumapasok. And because there is no exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, the patient's color changes. Nagiging cyanotic ang pasyente. Or minsan kala mo bluish or black in color kasi walang oxygen. So ang gagawin mo dyan is, you are going to position your patient when you do your maneuver, you cannot do maneuver that is parallel ang paa kasi may tendency pabagsak ka. So 1 foot forward, 1 foot at the back. Squat. Okay? So originally nandito ang dalawang paa. But you are going to do your hip bridge maneuver. Ang hip bridge maneuver is, you can feel that. Sige, sabay-sabay. You check on your sternum. Sige, sternum, your umbilicus. Ganyan ang kamay, hindi ganyan. So, ganyan. Dominant to non-dominant. Up. Sige, up. Nakuha nyo? Diba? So, hindi siya compress, ha? It's up. Ito yung magkuha ng... Yan. Nakikita niya, nararamdaman mo, tendency is isusuka niya kung ano yung nandito. Okay? So, pag out of the pasyente with those signs and symptoms, hemorrhage. So, dito, yan yung puso, sa dito. So, you do hemorrhage maneuver, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check ang pasyente. Nandun pa rin. Continue, walang titigil hanggang hindi sinusuka ng pasyente ang nasa loob. So let's say for example, 9, 10, sinuka niya na, if the patient is unconscious, paupi mo lang siya. If the patient is unconscious, you go back to basic BLS. Pero 10 yan. Ako ang magsasabi, okay, nilabas na ng pasyente. So, position the patient conscious. Okay, paupiin mo si pasyente. Okay? Hanggang hindi ko sinasabing na ilabas na, huwag kang titigil. 10 lang ng 10. 10, check. 10, check. Oh, balik ka ulit. 9, 10, check. Oh, nandun pa. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Check it out. Oh, nandun pa. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Oh, wala na. Conscious si patient. Oh, wala si patient. Okay? So, you have to wait for my command kung ano nangyayari sa pasyente. Ako ha? Okay. For the infant, sa infant, if you are doing your AHA or Saudi heart, nakaupo ang receiver.
Iba.
Pero sa TESDA, hindi pwede umupo. So, ganoon pa rin. 1 foot forward, 1 foot at the back. Kung anong nakahakbang na paa, yun ang corresponding na kamay. So, ibig sabihin, pag ito ang forward, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Kasi opposite. So, dapat ito pa rin ang hawak. Okay? So, ipitin. Kasi may tendency, irritable ang bata, pwedeng mahulog. So, dapat ipit. Or kung gusto mo ganyan, wala namang problema. So, 1 foot, 1 foot. So, forward, kamay. So, head down, slap. So, pag sinabing slap, sampal. So, hindi ganon, ha? So, slap. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hawak. Palit. Sa kabila. Chest thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hawak. Palit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hawak. Ipit. Hanggang sa hindi nilalabas ang nasa loob ng pasyente. Nakuha nyo? So for adult, 10, check. Sa bata, 5 chest
Check.
thrust, 5 back slap. So ano yung tawag sa bata?
Mr. Ruth, is there any scenario that yung patient hindi niya nilabas yung ano? So,
Hanggang hindi nilalabas,
Huwag kang
hindi na
titigil.
titigil.
paano po kung talagang tagal yung ginawa, hindi rin ano?
Basta proper lang, ilalabas na yan.
Nalabas.
Oh, ilalabas yan.
Pag
So
na-
hindi siya taas, slap, papataas.
Pag
Di ba
nalab-
parang pinupush mo siya.
Pag nalabas na ng patient, tapos unconscious pa rin yung patient, walang plasma, babalik. Mag-CPR ka.
unconscious.
You go back to BLS.
BLS.
Paano? Kunyari, nilabasan ng pasyente, naging unconscious, you go back. Hey baby, are you okay? Hey baby, babalik ka sa basic BLS.
Baby, are you okay?
Sir, may ganun na scenario kayong sasabihin.
Saan?
Pag yung sa choking. Yung ganyan. Sa choking.
Sa...
Joking na siya.
Sa AHA kasi merong ano eh, Hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng mag-ganyan eh.
Pero sir, kapag conscious siya, ganun buhay
Saudi
niya.
kasi.
Lalo pag nasa labas, tapos hindi ka pwede mas
Of course, pag conscious ang bata, hindi mo pwedeng pauwi ng bata. Kagayin mo ang conscious na bata. Okay? Tatandaan nyo, dito hindi ka nakaluhod na, tatayo ka pag nasa final assessment. Dito lang, nakaganon ang pasyente. But dito, tatayo. Yun ang nakakalimutan. Minsan, sasabihin ko, oh, the baby is okay, conscious. Si caregiver, ginanon si baby.
So, anong posisyon
Are you sure? Yes. Ganun pa siya.
Okay.
So, binubuhat yan. Binubuhat. Okay?
Okay, sir. Patayin ko na yung video. Okay na.
So, please yung turo. Very particular ako to. Hindi kasi may ibang sasabihin na, the area is safe. I have one victim, nandun ang victim. I have one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. No, you have to pinpoint kung anong mga unconscious si patient. I have one patient unconscious. Kasi I have one patient. Oh, what happened to your patient? I have one patient unconscious or unresponsive, one patient unconscious or unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am Rod, trained first aider. Can I help? Sasagutin kita, yes, you can help. Tapos diretso.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please